everyone, myself Rajpriya Kaur and I am welcoming to all of you in News Moment English channel. Welcome to this channel. Have a look on these news. Coal India to invest over rupees 1.22 lakh crore in 500 projects by FY 23 to 24. Sri Prahlad Joshi, Sankodia to achieve the target of 1 billion tons BT of coal production by the financial year 2023 to 24 and make the country self-sufficient in coal. Coal India CIL will invest more than rupees 1.22 lakh crore in about 500 projects related to coal infrastructure and infrastructure project development, acceleration and clean coal technology. Union Coal and Mines Minister Sri Prahlad Joshi said this while addressing a stakeholder meet organized by Coal India through video conferencing on Tuesday. Mr. Joshi said that the participant and engagement of all the stakeholders in the company will reduce the risks associated with the projects. At the same time, this type of bilateral dialogue will help to explore new area of improvement and possibility for projects that are beneficial to all. Of the proposed investment of over 1.22 lakh crore, Coal India has rupees 32,696 crore, coal extraction rupees 25 lakh 117, mines infrastructure 29 crore 46 project development rupees 32,199 crore, distribution and clean coal technology till FY 23 to 24 1495 crore are planted to be spent on social infrastructure and rupees 1893 crore on exploration work. Addressing the stockholders, he said that there is an immense potential for doing business with Coal India. The company will invest about rupees 14 crore in 49 first miles continually project in two phases by FY 2023 to 2024. Coal transport in arranged for the first mile conveyance pitheads to dispatch point. This system is being developed to increase efficiency in coal transportation and to convert the existing system of road transport of coal between two locations into computer-based loading system. Similarly, Coal India undertook 15 greenfields projects to increase coal production and reduce dependence on coal imports in the coming years, identified to operate from MDO mode. This kind will help a total investment of 34,600 crore, of which rupees 17,000 crore is likely to be invested by FY 23 to 24. Coal infrastructure is another sector in which Coal India will invest heavily. The company has a total of rupees 16,500 crore. On behalf of ISCO Steel Plant Department or Official Language, a workshop on official language workshop and discuss on COVID-19 was organized in the conference room of Bananpur House. Participants took part in the event following social distance. As the chief guest in the following program, Sri M.E. Samsi, Chief General Manager Personnel, said in his address that the main objective of the workshop is to make the participant aware to the rules related to the official language At the same time, he said that the instruction issued by the government for COVID-19 should be followed in the workshop in the collaboration with the office superintendent official language. The official language officer gave a presentation on policy rules and complications and mental barrier in Hindi implementation. Mr. Amit Acharya, representative of Baranpur Hospital, gave a detailed information on the ratio from COVID. The program came to a halt with the welcome and thank you memorandum of Sri Dilip Yadav. Surya 11 is a photo of illegal mines being filled on the instruction of ECL Chief Secretary Officer Captain Tanmay Das and CISF commanded on Friday while conducting against the illegal coal mining and coal smuggling. Digging of illegal coal mines was done in Bajdi of Sodhpur area of ECL. Due to this campaign, there is a panic among the illegal coal smuggler. It is also being told that culmination of the program carried out by BJP against them in front of ECL headquarters 2 days ago. It may be noted that 15-member task force was formed many years ago to curb illegal local smuggling in this area. Despite this illegal trade could not be stopped according to the information. Digging of illegal mining site and residue of coal are being carried out by CISF and ECL Security Department under the Action Against Illegal Coal Mining somewhere in the ECL area. Tanmay Das, Secretary Chief of ECL, said that illegal coal mining was causing loss of national property and damage to the country. While the mines of ECL are also being affected, he said that the campaign will continue. In this case, the representative of the trade union said that 2100 ECL security personnel, 1400 personnel of private security force and 1900 personnel of CISF have been developed for the protection of ECL property. With this 400 jawans of ECL illegal coal mining and smuggling is noticeable. The Maria Mohalla, Ward number 63, booth number 81, under Kulti block, Deputy Mayor of Asansol Municipal Corporation, Madam Tapshum Ara, as the Paschim Bardhaman District Vice President. The team from CISF headquarters operated in Bajidi Colliery area of Sudanpur area while the digging operation of illegal well mines. The team of Constoria CISF camp and the Constoria area security team raided the illegal coal depot of Palas Danga area near Kantadia and seized 8 tons of stolen coal. The confiscated coal was handed over to ECL management. The operation was carried out under the leadership of camp in charge Deepak Bhamani and Religion Secretary in charge Dhananjay Rai. One more journalist died of corona. Our editor of News Movement said that may his soul rest in peace. I met him few months back during a football tournament in Barabani where he told only local paper and a small magazine can be defense the corrupt practice of the government and political leaders. Try to continue your weekly and YouTube channel. Our editor Meghdut Prasad said this for the Santimay Chatterjee. In lockdown, all the roads were empty. The people followed the Mamata Banerjee's speech and followed the rule of lockdown. Is karma predominates in the world. Therefore, if you do karma, you will definitely get the fruit. Do not worry about the fruit of karma. Very few people have time to read the great script Gita, which have this message to the world. The life of a man indulging in running for work for the sake of other addiction has almost struck. But man can listen to the desired verse of Gita or the song of an arti talking, recite the words on which you will place its reading operations. From this we can hear every verse of chapter through him. You can listen to it in Sanskrit, Hindi translation or in English also.
गतिर्भर्ता प्रभुः साक्षी निवासः शरणं सुहृद प्रभवः प्रलयः स्थानं निधानं बीजमव्ययम् तपाम्यहमहं वर्षं निगृह्णाम्युत्सृजामि च अमृतं चैव मृत्युश्च सदश्चाहमर्जुना।
हे अर्जुन, मैं ही सूर्य के रूप में तपता हूँ, जल को ग्रहण कर वर्षा के रूप में बरसाता हूँ। मैं ही अमृत और मृत्यु एवं सत और असत हूँ।
Behalf of Shyamla Zone Trinamool Congress newly elected Black President of Jamudia Black 2 Trinamool Congress Sukumar Bhattacharya was honored at this residence Kenda Area Hospital Complex. On this occasion, Jamudia Block 2 Youth Trinamool Congress Block President Pranchana Ruidas was also honored and both were given banquets. Tarun Garai, Deputy Pradhan of Shyamla Gram Panchayat, who was present on the occasion, said that Jamudia Block 2 has been made by a qualified and experienced block president of the party, whether it is the Trinamool Congress or the block president of Young Trinamool Congress. Why not make these two block president? Thank you.